We, the Meira of Khurai, we are protesting against the atrocities of Kuki narco-terrorists. Recently, the Kuki narco-terrorists have started using drone bombs and started bombing in Kautruk, Kadangban, and Sendam Chirang. A female named Ngangbam Surbala, she died in the Kuki attack, and her daughter is also injured. And yesterday itself, a female, a girl, a 22-year-old girl, she was also injured. The thing we Meira would like to say is that drone bombing is a thing which is used between like country to country war. So we would like to ask the Modi government why he have not taken action against the Kuki terrorists, because it's like the Kuki terrorists has linked up with some other countries and started attacking India. So why is he silent? And a civilian, a female is killed. So why like even our state government and Modi government, they are all silent as if we are nothing. So we are really we are speechless actually. Like we are really hurt. We don't know what to do. So since the war is going on for the past almost 2 years, the people of Manipur are really suffering. So we want this war to end. So the protest is all like together on